Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 22. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Orange County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, Westchester County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 9 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Wallkill to near Franklin to Chester to near Bridgewater to near Doylestown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near West Milford around 8 p.m. Upper Greenwood Lake around 8:05 p.m. Plainfield and Ringwood around 8:10 p.m. Summit and Milburn around 8:15 p.m. Orange and Muncie around 8:20 p.m. Newark and Patterson around 8:25 p.m. Jersey City and Passaic around 8:30 p.m. Hoboken and Hackensack around 8:35 p.m. Mont Haven and Nanuet around 8:40 p.m. Yonkers and East Tremont around 8:45 p.m. New Rochelle and White Plains around 8:50 p.m. Todd Hill and Port Richmond around 8:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Domino's Best Deal Ever is back. Get any hand-tossed pan, thin crust, or New York-style pizza with any toppings for just $9.99 online. Your favorite pizza at our best price. It's Domino's Best Deal Ever, but it's not forever, so get it before it's gone. Only at Domino's.
Add over.